Hello, I'm John Wright, and welcome to another beautiful day in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat has a full 9-foot beam. It has a fuel capacity of about 172 gallons. And the boat also weighs approximately 7,300 pounds, boat motors and gear. We'll start on the transom here. As you see, we have the new 2019 twin Mercury 225s. Across the swim platform, you'll see you've got space to stand on each side with the swim ladder over on the starboard side. You have a nice pull-out shower for when you come in off the transom. As we step up into the cockpit, you'll see you've got a big open cockpit. Your mechanicals are in the floor. You have a flip-down seat in the transom for when you're headed out to that fishing spot. Then once you're there, you've got tow rails for fishing. You also have large scuppers in the floor to drain the cockpit, fish boxes on each side, and a little prep area over here on the port stern. As we step up in the helm area, you have a 30-gallon live well. You also have tackle storage over on the port side here. We'll move up to the helm area. You have the twin captain's chairs, stainless steering wheel, Raymarine chart plotter, Mercury vessel view, fusion stereo, active trim. Moving up a little further, you'll see you have both sides have flip down trolling seats. Great for when you're watching lines or just need an extra place to sit. This boat has a very large console that has a vacuum flush toilet, which is a nice feature on a boat this size and larger, of course. Another great feature you'll find on the 250 Outrage is the fully enclosed glass helm. You have a windshield wiper, you have the hard top, you have outriggers on each side. As you move further forward in the bow area, you have a big twin companion seat here with flip down armrest. We have the covers on to show how you can protect the vinyl. As you move further forward, you have this nice U-shaped seating in the bow. You have a mount for your bow table. You have great storage in the floor, either a cooler or fish box here in front of the console. This boat is also equipped with the bow sunshade, which has become a very popular option. It attaches to the hardtop. There's two poles that mount here, and this whole area can become shaded. You'll also see this boat is equipped with a windlass with stainless steel anchor, with remote here on the starboard side. Well, that's a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any we have in inventory. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100.